Hello and welcome to Online Education Aid. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can get free Visa debit card with Wise business account. If you have a Wise business account, then you are able to get a free virtual Visa card. To get virtual Visa card, you need to log in into your business account first. You can see I am already in my account. To create Wise virtual Visa card, you need to click on the card section. I'm clicking here, and you can see here already three cards are available in my account. You can create three maximum virtual card at a time. So I have already two virtual card. You can see here digital card, and this is my physical card. Thus we are going to create a new virtual card, so we need to click on the order a new card button. I'm clicking here also. After clicking the new card, you can see here two options available here. Digital card, you can see here it's free, and you can also see here the physical card, but a physical card already added into our account. You can't order multiple physical card with a single account, but you can create multiple digital card in your single business account. We need to click on the digital card button. This is the first option, and it's free, and it's also activated immediately. Okay, I'm clicking here. You can see here our digital card overview. You can use this Wise digital card or virtual card to pay Apple Pay or Google Play Store or Google Ads. Okay, to complete the card application, we need to click the order your digital card button. I'm clicking here. You can select your card color. There is 5 color available right now. After choosing your card color, then you need to click on the create your digital card button. I'm clicking here, and you can see here your card is ready. Now we need to click on the view card button to see your card number and CVV all details. If you click on the card details, you will get the card number, expiry date and CVV. So this is the process to create a Wise virtual Visa card with free. Hope this video is useful for you, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any question about this topics, then you can leave your question in your comment section. In the same time, if you need Wise business account, you can contact with us to buy Wise business account in reliable price. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe.